Good evening, guys. My name is Divesh Tiwari. Today I bring my fourth story to share with you. So, first I start this story. Before I start this story, I will tell you, if you don't see the part 1, 2 and 3, so please see that all the 3 that stories. Okay, and now let's start our story. And that story's name is Olaf's Treasure. Once upon a time, there was a small village, and there was a man whose name was Hans. Hans made the delicious cheese ever and sell it to he take his bullet carts and take that cheese in the market. A crowd of people come in his market, and then he had a lot of money, so he had made a small hut for him. Then he had a lot of money, so he just break that hut and make a farmer house with a lot of wood. He take that money to the jungle, give to all the people who cut trees. They cut tree and gave him a lot of wood, and he built a small farmer house for him. Then he had a younger brother, and that brother name was Olaf. Olaf did not help him to make any of the cheese, and he just stay out his farmer house and think his dream. And then Hans said, then one day Olaf slowly, he was seeing very clearly, he was seeing Hans and running out from the farmer house. Then he say, why you are running from my farmer house? Everything is all right, Olaf. Then he tell that, Hans, I have a dream, and that dream is I want to go to the clock tower. I want to go to the clock tower where I have to take 3 times round. Then I will find a treasure. I will bring it just right here, and we will become the richest man ever. Hans laughed very, very, very and very loudly and said, there is no treasure. It is only on stories, treasure. Actually, in real life, there are no treasures. But the Wolf did not listen any word of his bigger brother, and he just then when he was going to the clock tower, Hans said, hey, it is evening time. You go tomorrow on the morning. Okay, so said Wolf. Then the next day, Wolf can't wait to go to the clock tower. He fastly as he can, he rushed to the clock tower, and just he take 3 rounds. When he take his 3rd round, he was very tired by taking 3 rounds because the clock tower was very big. So then he sit down and start thinking something for how to find this treasure, because when he